Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is, are we endangering our environment? Children, can you see the page number 146? Page number 146. Can you see the 20 years ago picture and now today's picture? It's so different. Before that, it was 20 years ago. There was a field and all that. But now we are cutted all the fields and all that, and we started building a big building. We have started building, okay? 20 years ago, there was an open field around the city. Okay, more open space is found in the villages. More open space was found in the villages. Okay, in village, the number of trees and animals is more. Number of vehicles and people is comparatively less. What is less? Number of vehicle and peoples are less, comparatively less. Okay, but nowadays, less open space is found in cities at all. There is no space for the field and everything in the cities. In cities, the number of trees and animals is also less. Only for the show purpose, we are growing the trees and all that. Otherwise, we are cutting the trees for building the building, to build up, okay? Numbers of vehicles and peoples are more in the city as compared to the village. Coming the village side, there is very less people and vehicle, but in the city, there is peoples and vehicles are comparatively more. Okay. Now, the progress made by the human being. We see the progress made by the human being. Man is the most intelligent than all the animals. Everyone know that. Who is more intelligent? A man. A man say intelligent, a computer like that. But who is working on the computer? Who started the computer? Okay, it's a man only. So it's a very intelligent man than the animal, other animals. He makes use of his intelligence to make his life more comfortable. We are seeing how we are comfortable. हमको जो पसंद है वही हम लोग पहनते हैं. We are comfortable in that clothes. We are doing that only. So we are seeing the man is only saying मुझे जहाँ पे रहना है वो should be a comfortable for living purpose, for wearing purpose also, and for the eating purpose also. Whatever I like, I am eating that only. All living things makes use of what they find in the environment. They are using what is found in the environment. If we are getting wood, they are using for our purposes. If you are getting what? Fruit and food, it is using for our purposes, for the man purposes. But only man can carefully study the things. Man can study carefully things in the environment. He produces new things from material in the environment. Now let us see how he is using everything. This is a story of about this is a story of about 150 years ago. 150 years ago, this is a story. Researchers have found out how to use the mineral oil. We having how to use the mineral oil. Okay. Man now had a new and useful fuel to use. He then invented some vehicle that will run on this new fuel. That is what? Mineral oil. This includes the motor car. This includes the motor car, bus. This was used for the purpose of using, okay? Motor car was used by the motor car कैसे चलती है? On the oil or petrol, on the petrol, truck and the scooter. They also developed railways engine that could run on the coal. Okay, before it was using how the train was running on the coal, but now it's running on the electricity. Okay, there's so vast differences has been changed. Okay, changes has been done because of whom? Because of the man. So it's an intelligent person. Okay, previously if one had to travel to one another place, पहले के जमाने में किसको जाना होगा बाहर, तो what how they were going? One had to walk or ride horseback or on a bullock cart. Various animals were used to carry burden on to draw the car, but nowadays we're having big trucks to carry the loads and all that. Now we go by the bus or railway trains. That helps us to save both the time and the labor. Labor means गधा मजूरी करना भी ये हो गया है, सेव हो जाता है. Nowadays we take up various schemes to make our life easier and prosperous. Okay, we build dams to satisfy our needs for water. We build roads and railways for transportation. Factories are set up to manufacture all the things we needed. Now, what is there? Factories are there big for our needed, fulfill our needs. We build houses so that everyone can have a shelter of their own. Okay? This has been changed. The things we need to do, all this have to be obtained from the environment. From where we get all these things? From the environment. We get them from places like forests, farms, and mines. Water is used for in the factories, and then the wastewater is let into the river. All this has an effect on the environment. If the environment is harmed, it has harmful effect on all the living things also. A man is no exception. Now we'll see the growth of population. Sorry. Growth of population. Now, a census was done in 1951 was how many people were there? The population of our country in 1951 was around 37 crores. How many crores? 37 crores. But now it has been tripled. Double नहीं हुआ है, tripled हो गया है. 3 बार गुना ज्यादा हो गया, 3 गुना ज्यादा हो गया. The population of our country in 2011 was nearly 121 crores. First, it was in 1951, it was only 37 crores, but now 2011, the population was increased, tripled. It's gone on 121 crores. Okay, how many? 121 crores. In the last 50 years, the population of our country has tripled. It is still growing nowadays. It is growing. So the demand for all those things that we needed to take from the environment has increased many times over. If the population is increasing, the people are also increasing. Due to the people only, the population increases. So our needs are fulfilled by the environment only. So the people are cutting the forest and all that, because of why? Where the persons will live, where the population will live. So we are cutting the trees and all that, and forest we are using that also. People could not get employment in the village. So they began to leave and to go to the city in search of work. Cities become crowded nowadays. The cities are so much population, there's so much crowded. Mall jao crowded. On the station, crowd is there. The population in the cities grew beyond limitation. Cities began to experience a shortage of water. Also nowadays we are having a shortage of water. इतना ही घंटा पानी आता है, 1 घंटा ही पानी आएगा तुम लोग को पीने का. उसमें सब लोग तुम लोग भरने का पानी. It's not children. But before long back ago, there was not shortage of water also. Cities began to experience a shortage of water. There were not enough houses for everybody. So people could not find a place to stay. There used to be open space and fields around. Before, there was an open space and a field around the cities. New colonies came up there. And to build these new houses and colonies, the trees there had to be cut down. Nowadays, we are cutting the trees for what? For the new colonies, for the new houses. In cities, one has to travel long distance to get the work. So people in the cities began to buy vehicles that run on the fuel. Now we have on the job. So it's job near to our house. अपने बाजू में घर के बाजू में काम रहता है. No, we are traveling from one place to another place. So what we have bought? We have bought a vehicle for ourselves that runs on the fuel. In all big cities, these vehicles spread smokes as they are driven around. What comes from the vehicle? The smoke comes. Okay, the smokes mix with the city air. As a result, people began to have breathing problems. Instead of asthma and other lungs disorder begins to increase. Because of the smoke, some people has been caused by the asthma and other lungs disorder. Okay. Trees have been banished from cities. So birds do not find place to build their nest. They also find the smoke in the city's air troublesome. Who? The birds. Okay. They are no longer sure of getting water when they are thirsty. Who? For the birds and all that. So there are fewer and fewer birds in cities now. The number of butterflies and other insects is also falling. Because of the increase Population, the drainage system in the cities fails sometime. The drainage waters come outside because of the increasing in the population. Increasing the population. Then water collects in the midst of living areas. Mosquitoes grow in it because of the water, the drainage water. The mosquitoes started coming outside, and that only mosquitoes are biting and all that, and they're getting a malaria. Okay. They spread disease like malaria, dengue, filaria, chikungunya. Who spread this? A mosquito spread this. So children, do you know this? The increase of population spoil the life we lead in the cities? Yes, it is spoiling our life. Okay, now we will see. Groundwater is drying up. Groundwater means जमीन के नीचे वाला पानी सूखने लगा है. Water is an important need of all living things. Everyone knows that water is very important for our living things. For drinking, washing, cooking, we need an water. For whole day, we need a water. But nowadays, the groundwater is also drying up. We use water for keeping ourselves and for our house clean, for cooking, for farming, industries, and construction also. As the rainy season ends, the water in river decreases. Why? Because we are using that. Okay? Water in well to reduce size. Their water barely lasts up to the month of March the following years. Later in summer, many villages face a serious scarcity of water. Many villages having a very less water. People settle, children, remember this. People settle only where water is available from the source or the other. People only live there where the water is available because every one person or animals need a water. The population keeps growing. The population keeps growing. The rainfall, however, remains the same. The rainfall, however, remains the same. So, there is a shortage of water. Much of rainwater flows away unused. So, we began to build dams to store rainwater and use it later. Okay? Some people began to use borewell rather than drawwell and to use the hand pump to lift water. Some of the people are using because we are changing. Nowadays, we are changing. So, we are using a borewell. जो लाइट पे पंप चलता है, that we are using. Why we will use the draw well? खुद हाथ से क्यों निकालेंगे पानी? अगर we are having a bore well, it is very useful for us. The pumps that work mechanically or on diesel or electricity were invented. Now the use of such pumps has become widespread. Everyone is using a pump. Why the labor work should be done? Why the labor work should be done if we are having a using of electricity or a fuel? So the population has so greatly increased that now every summer we face a severe water scarcity. Severe water scarcity. The population has so greatly increases. Nowadays we are having the increase. The population has also created a problem of shortage of food also and shortage of water also. इतने population बढ़ गया कि अपने खाने के लिए ज़्यादा मिलता नहीं है. Why? Grow नहीं हो रहा है तो population बढ़ रहा है सिर्फ. Growing कहाँ से होगा? We are not having this open space for growing the grains and all that. Yes or no? And from where we get the grains to eat and for the food and all that? There is no open space. If we are building only building, then from where we will do this agriculture? Then there will be very shortage of food also. Another problem that the population growth causes was that of availability of food. The food production in the country began to fall short of the needs of the growing population. So our scientists developed improved method of farming. Okay. Previously, farmers used to grow only one crop in the year. पहले के इसमें farmers क्या करते थे? एक ही crop grow करते थे. But nowadays, we can grow other crops also. Now, they can take 2 or even 3 crops every year. As a result, food production increased, but so did the demand for water for agriculture is also increasing day by day. Day by day. Okay. Previously, Water was needed for farming only during the rainy season. Now it is needed for 8 months in a year, for the 8 months in a year. Where 3 crops are taken, it is required all year around. It only rains during the rainy season. Then from where we get the water for farming and for all other needs? We experience a scarcity of water soon after the rains. Then from where do we get water for the field in summer and the winter season? Now, let us learn. Rainwater that has slipped into the soil can be used in this situation. Water found in well and borewell is nothing but rainwater that has sipped into the ground. Sipped into ground means जो जमा होता है ground में, underground water. Okay? That water only we are using as a hand pump. जो रहता है ना borewell उसको क्या बोलते हैं? हपसी. Okay? That water is coming from the underground water, from the ground. That the rainwater has been sipped in the ground. That water only coming up. Let us learn about some traditional method of drawing water from well. In the Konkan region, there are groves of coconut, betel nut, and bananas. They are water using the water wheel to lift water from the well. A horizontal beam. Can you see this? The horizontal beam is given over there. See page number 150. Okay. The beam is placed over the mouth of the well. It supports a large wooden wheel which turns around. This wheel is called a rahat. Several pots, it's over there. Can you see the pots has been tied over there? Animal like a bullock carrying that, okay? Several pots, ghadge, are fixed on the wheel. When the wheel turns, the chain of the pot turns with it one by one. They dip into the water. एक के बाद जैसे वो wheel घूमता है, वो pot भी पानी के अंदर जाके वो पानी उसमें से भरने लगता है, okay? Turns pot over and the water gets poured in the channel. From there, it is taken to the glass. The water wheel is turned with the help of the bullock and the male or a male bullock. Such water wheel or rahat ghadge are still in use of some places in the Konkan region. In other parts of Maharashtra, a moat was in use for lifting well water. A moot, a big bag. A moot is a large leather bag. It is lowered into the water at the end of the rope. Okay, it is tied in the end of the rope. जैसे जैसे बुलक आगे जाता है, okay, that moat comes outside. And जैसे जैसे बुलक पीछे बुलक goes backside, the moat goes inside the well and it takes the water and again it's come upside like that. Bullocks go front, moat comes up. Bullocks go backside, the moat goes down. When it is full and it is lifted out of the well, water is used for the filled purpose. Bullocks move to the fro on a ramp to help lower the bag and lift it. The moat is used in very few places nowadays. Okay. Nowadays, fields are water during diesel or electric pump. How the water is going nowadays? By the pump or a diesel or the electric pumps. These mechanical pumps can be lift many times more water than the moat ever could. Besides, because more than one crop is taken every year, the pumps are used to lift water even after the rainy season. As a result, the water stored underground is getting used up rapidly. Children, this was our chapter. Again, I'm reading the traditional method of drawing water. What are the traditional method of drawing water? We experience scarcity of water. We experience scarcity of water after the rains. Rainwater that has slipped into the ground is used in summer and winter season. Wells and bore wells are constructed to use swift rainwater. In the Konkan region, in the most of the villages, a horizontal beam is placed over over the mouth of the well. It supports a large wooden wheel which turns around. This wheel is called a rahat. A chain of several pots, gadge, is fixed on the rahat. As the rahat turns, each gadge gets filled up, comes up and turn over, and the water gets poured into the channel. This traditional method of drawing water is known as a rahat gadge. A moth is a large leather bag. It is lowered into the water at the end of the rope. When it is full, it is lifted out of the well. Bullocks move to and fro on a ram to lower the moth and lift it. Nowadays, moth is used in very few places in Maharashtra, children. Now, what we have learned today? Vehicles like motorcycle, buses, and scooter that runs on mineral oil were invented. So too were railway trains. It's made traveling easier. We build dams, roads, and railways. We set up factories and build houses. We release wastewater from the factories into the river. This causes harms to the environment as well as to the living things in it. As the population keeps growing, the demand for things we get from the environment also grows in leaps and bounds. Cities becomes crowded as people left their villages in search of work. Trees were cut down to build new houses. The numbers of vehicles increases. Their smokes began to cause a breathing disorder. Okay? As trees are felled, birds do not find nesting places. There is a smoke too. As a result, the number of birds, butterflies, and other insects in cities are falling. That is decreasing. The greater the population, the greater is the demand for food grain. Farmers now take multiple crops. The demand for water too increases. Previously in Konkan, the water wheels was used to draw water well, while the moat was used elsewhere in Maharashtra. Now, pumps are used for the purpose in most places. So groundwater gets used up rapidly. Always remember, children, while taking things we need from the environment, we must take care not to harm the environment. While taking the things, we are taking the things from the environment. We should not harm the environment at all. I hope everyone understood the chapter clearly.